In this video, we are going to make a super easy and ultra healthy smoothie to replace your breakfast.
In 2 minutes, you'll feel good and be productive for the entire day. Levels Health ranks this smoothie at 8 out of 10, so we must know it's healthy.
Let's get some of the first ingredients. So for the base, I'd like to use chopped spinach and some berries. I also use frozen avocado, but I'm out of stock today. Put the berries in. Sometimes it's not a lucky day and you don't get any strawberries. Some frozen chopped spinach. I like to go organic. I buy all these from Whole Foods. Next up, a little bit of Cholula. Next is the powder. I typically try to use whey protein, something with minimal ingredients other than just whey. I've stuck with Thorne. Thorne, sponsor me please. We'll get a nice full scoop in there. If you're really feeling it, you can add some more. And if you really want gains, creatine. You gotta have creatine, but actually it's not just for muscle gains, but also there's a whole bunch of other benefits for like your brain. If you're sleep deprived, creatine can also be helpful. Increasing blood flow, it provides a lot of energy, right? ATP. So creatine is not just for weightlifters. So that's why I take it, and I'll probably take it for the rest of my life. We'll put a little image up here with all the different benefits from this cool Instagram post I saw. Next, ground cinnamon. I'll take a little bit of this and put that in there. That'll help with minimizing the glucose spike from all the sugar and the fruits in here. Next up, we got some Maca powder. This stuff is insane. This is the energizing superfood of Inca warriors. So this helps with like increasing libido. It just makes you feel really good, really energized. I highly recommend trying this stuff out. And to make it super simple, I will get my measuring spoons all chained together. Maca, 1 teaspoon. Next, some cacao powder. This is also good for blood flow, decreasing blood pressure, just overall cardiovascular health, and just another good way to get some good flavor in there. Nice tablespoon, and then we gotta go to the fridge again. So some things, Make sure to get a fridge that's big enough to house all your food. This right here is I'm gonna eat like Gwenyth Paltrow for 7 days. So if you wanna see that video, it'll be linked below. All right, so what I like to use is ultra filtered milk. It's lactose free. I use the whole milk just because it has more calories and more protein. And this one is what I will use as my base. I'll put a little bit of water sometimes too. We'll fill that sucker up. And you don't have to use all these ingredients. If you wanna keep it super simple, what I will do is buy one of these little mixer bottle shakers, and you can literally just put whey protein or some simple powders in this container and just mix it in there, and you don't have to deal with all this blending. And that's kind of the easier way to start. I like to add in all these things just to stay ultra healthy. Next up, flax seeds. I do the full serving of 2 tablespoons. Get my omega-3s and fibers. And obviously that's not enough fiber because we want to make sure when we wake up we are able to eject everything we ate the day before. So we'll have 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. And I've also noticed when I have chia seeds, it'll minimize my glucose spikes from all the other sugary foods I eat in a day. So if you like to eat a lot of sugary foods, it's good to have fiber to help minimize that impact a little bit.
Now, if you like efficient, healthy food, I just discovered this company called 5 Bar, made by this YouTuber Geek Climber. It looks like an RX bar destroyer. It's really good. I asked if I could get a discount from my audience. Check it out, Shervin 10 for 10% off. And each purchase helps support the channel.
Next, hemp seeds for some more protein, 10 more grams of protein. You know, the ideal scenario is I want to be able to have 1 drink and not eat for the rest of the day. So that's what we're doing here. 2 scoops. And if I'm really feeling it, I'll add in some peanut butter, almond butter, whatever, regular butter. But today, that's for another day. And then just because we want a little bit more Cholula. Now we've got our base, all the ingredients. I want to add some water. One thing I've learned is there's this thing called the max line right here. And that's typically the point you're supposed to fill the max to, but MacBooks have the M1 Max. This is the M1 Ultra. So we're trying to go ultra healthy. Nice, and this is a NutriBullet. It's super simple smoothie. The reason I like using this, I'll tell you right now, it's because I hope that's the same reason that you like to use it too. I'm just kidding. The reason I like to use it, there's 4 main factors when it comes to preparing food. You have to buy the food, you have to prepare it, you have to eat it, and then you have to clean. I'm trying to minimize all 4. So when it comes to buying, I can kind of have this stuff in my shopping cart and have it delivered if I really want. When it comes to preparing, it's just pour it all in here and then turning on the blender. When it comes to eating, it's pretty easy to just drink this. Then when it comes to cleaning up, this is what I like to do. Just rinse it out. I'll take it to the sink. I'll rinse out the blade. And now it looks clean. That's good enough for me. Put that blade away. I will drink the smoothie. And the thing you want to make sure is you want to clean the cup with hot water right as you finish the smoothie, or else like the chia seeds will get stuck to the container, and then you actually have to clean it with soap, which I don't like to do. Taste-wise, if you don't put too many items in there, it'll stay pretty smooth and you can drink it like a drink. And then I'll go ahead, drink this, watch a little bit of YouTube, and then get on with my day. So it's a super easy, ultra healthy smoothie that I like to make every day. Sometimes I'll use it for breakfast, sometimes for lunch. And if you want to see my video on where I'm going to eat like Gwenyth Paltrow for 7 days, I have her whole meal service with me. Go check that out, link down below. Cheers.